Welcome. I will show you certain sums of ratio and proportion such that we can do these sums in comparatively less time and quickly. But for younger students who are still reading in schools, for those I will suggest not to follow this style. This style is for MCQ sums. Now see this sum. Suppose I am starting from here. If it is given x is to y equals to 5 is to 2, then 8x plus 9y is to 8x plus 2y then to 5. 8x plus 9y by 8x plus 2y. What we can do, just put x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. So what we will get? 8 into 5 plus 9 into 2 by 8 into 5 plus 2 into 2. That is 40 and 18. 58 by 40 and 4, 44. So if we are cutting, it will be 22, 29. So the answer will be 29 is to 22. In this way, simply we can do it. Now see this sum. A is to B equals to 2 is to 3, B is to C equals to 4 is to 5, and C is to D equals to 6 is to 7. Then you have to find A is to B is to C is to D. See the style I am showing. A by B equals to 2 by 3. Now B by C equals to 4 by 5. C by D equals to 6 by 7. First make these two b's equal. So we are multiplying by 4 here and by 3 here. So it becomes 8 by 12 equals to 12 by 15. Our intention was to make these two b's equal. Now we will try to make these two c's equal. So here it is 7, it is 15. So here it is 6, it is 12. Multiply by 2. So it is becoming 12 by 14. Sorry. See here now. It was C was 15 and here is 6. So LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. So we will make this one by 5 and this one into 2. So what we are getting? 30 by 35. Here we are getting 24 by 30. Now these two are equal. Again these two become unequal. Multiply by 2. So it is now 16 by 24. Now see, these two are equal, these two are equal. Then you can write A is to B is to C is to D equals to 16 is to 24 is to 30 is to 35. In this way, we can do these sums. Now see this sum. If A is to B is to C is 2 is to 3 is to 4, then A by B is to B by C is to C by A. See this. A by B is to B by A, B by C is to C by A. Now A by B, we can write it. Consider A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. So A by B is 2 by 3 is to B by C is 3 by 4 is to C by A. C by A is 4 by 2. Now see, these 2, 3, 4, their LCM is 12. So multiply each one by 12. 2 into 12 by 3 is to 3 into 12 by 4 is to 4 into 12 by 2. So this gives you 8 is to 9 is to 20. This will be 2. So 24. So in this way we can do these sums. Now see, it is given x varies inversely as square of y. Given that y equals to 2 for x equals to 1, the value of x for y equals to 6. X varies inversely as square of y. See the style I am showing. Write x1 by x2 equals to inversely. So it will go, y2 will go up and y1 will come down. But it is square, that's why square will be there. Now given that y equals to 2, x equals to 1. That means x1 is 1 and x2 here to 5. y1 was 2. So it was 2 square and y2 is 6. It is 6 square. So x2 equals to 6 square means 2 square by 6 square. It is equals to 4 by 36 equals to 1 by 9. So that will be the value of x for which this sum is correct. Now see this question. If rupees 782 be divided into 3 parts proportional to half is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Then the first part. First of all, we change the ratio. 2, 3, 4, its LCM is 4 to the 12. So it will write by 1 into 12 by 2 is to 2 into 12 by 3 is to 3 into 12 by 4. That is 6 is to 8 is to 9 in this ratio. Then the first part will be, that is this 6, that will be equal to, that is first part. See, we need not require to do the whole thing. 782 into first part is 6 by, add this thing, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 8, 9 is 23. 23 to the 63. It will be 69. Then 9, 92, 4. 4 into 34 into 6. So it will be 204. In this way, we can do these sums in comparatively less time. Now see this sum. The salaries of A, B, C are in the ratio 2:3:5. If the increment of 15%, 10% and 20% are allowed respectively in their salaries, then what will be the new ratio of the salaries? So A is to B, that is I am directly writing the new ratios. Let us assume old was 200, 300, 500. So 200 it was there, but it increased by 15%. So for 100 rupees it is 15 rupees. For 200 rupees 2 into 15 plus 2 into 50 is to, this is for A. For B it was 300 and the increment is 10%. That means plus 3 into 10. C it was 500 and the increment is 20% plus 5 into 20. It is easier to assume in this way. So it becomes 230 is to 330 is to 600. We are cutting zeros, so nothing else will cut. So the final ratio will be 23 is to 33 is to 60. In this way, we can do these sums. So I think I can able to explain